Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but today I decided to make another hair video. Today's video is going to be about hair mask. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is all messed up and dry, very dirty. So today I decided to make a video of hair masks and see how far it goes. So guys, that being said, let's get right into the video. Yeah guys, so in this hair mask, what you are going to use is avocado. We have honey as well, an egg, and my oil. I made it myself. If you want to know how I made this oil, it's very effective. Just leave a comment down below and then I'll show you. It's very simple as well. Yeah, so guys, our hair mask is ready and going. As you can see, very thick. Avocado hair mask is ready, as you can see, and I'm ready to use it right about now. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with a little water. Yeah, and then I'm going to apply it, as simple as that. So guys, I'm going to cover my hair for 5 minutes. So see you in 5. Yeah guys, so our 5 minutes is up. Yeah. Ooh. It's very hot. So guys, I'm going to wash it and then come back on camera, okay? Yeah, so guys, after washing it, this is the final result. I haven't added any cream or any oil to it yet. As you can see, it came out very clean, very soft. You see? Yeah, so guys, I'm going to add some cream to it, and then we are good to go. Yeah, so guys, that is all for this video. If you enjoyed the process, if you like what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and join the family as well. And thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Bye.